Hello, I'm Laura Nelkin. I'm a knitwear designer based in upstate New York, and this video is going to teach you how to do my Flowsaic stitch. I am wearing the Flowsaic poncho in fingering weight. Goldie over here is wearing Flowsaic in worsted weight. And this is a fun and flattering poncho. It has asymmetrical shaping and this really interesting stitch that I developed that is a dip stitch that adds texture and increases to the poncho. So when you start at the neck of Flowsaic, you're working a circumference that doesn't change going around. So the Flowsaic stitch increases 4 stitches and coordinating decreases keep your circumference the same. When you get to the body of the poncho, you discontinue working those decreases so that you increase out for your shoulder and body. It is super easy to do, so let me show you how on my needles. I'm working up to the point where I'm going to work the Flowsaic stitch. So for now, I'm just going to be working in pattern in this 1x1 ribbing where I'm knitting the knits and purling the purls. When I get up to that center knit stitch right there that creates the Flowsaic stitch, I am going to count 3 rounds below the stitch on my needle. So 1, 2, 3. I'm going to reach into that 3rd round, grab my yarn, pulling it up, making a loop that's about 3/4 of an inch long. And then I'm going to make a yarn over on my needle that mimics the length of that first picked up stitch. And now I'm going to knit one, and I'm going to make another yarn over, and then I'm going to reach down one more time into the same hole, grabbing the yarn and pulling it up, making sure that I'm pulling it up the same amount that I picked up that first stitch so those floats match. And now I'm going to go ahead and work in pattern in the 1x1 ribbing around until I reach the next Flowsaic stitch. When you come to these stitches on the next round, they're going to get integrated into the 1x1 ribbing. So since you have a purl stitch here, this is going to be a knit stitch, this is going to be a purl stitch, that center stitch is a knit stitch, that yarn over is a purl stitch, and that is a knit stitch again, and you'll continue across. So that is not a hard stitch to do. I just think it really helps to see where you count down to pick up those elongated stitches that create the increases in Flowsaic. Thank you so much for watching. I'd love if you subscribe to my channel, sign up for my newsletter, do all the things, ask questions below. I do give you links at the bottom of this video to both of the patterns and anything else you might be wondering about. Thank you so much.